Hey guys, welcome to my NBA 2K20 modded to 2K26 rebuild. Today I'm gonna rebuild the Charlotte Hornets. Please enjoy watching and don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. So here we are picking the Charlotte Hornets to get rebuilt, and comment what team next I'm gonna rebuild. So here we are picking the Charlotte Hornets to control. And I'm just gonna create new file and put in the association 2 to get started for this rebuild. And now we're in the first season of our rebuild, and I'm gonna watch our rosters. And this is our roster, guys, and I'm gonna rebuild more about this to get this a title contender. And firstly, we're gonna make a trade between Kobe White and Miles Bridges and a first round pick. And we're gonna, there's a lot of offers that are very good, but there are two that caught my eye. It's about Ja Morant and Devin Booker. But it's the best, so I take Devin Booker and Jay Booyah. The next trade we are gonna make is between Con Kinepo and Josh Green and a second round pick today, this year draft. And I think the team that has same value to offer is from the New Orleans Pelicans, and we get Trey Murphy and Kevin Looney. Next, we're gonna trade Ryan and Freeman. I think there are a lot of offers, but the New Orleans had caught my eyes, and we're gonna get DeJounte Murray and DeAndre Jordan. So now that is all that I've done in our trades, and now we're gonna see the new roster for the Charlotte Hornets. And we're gonna trade Grant Williams and Zion James for Grayson Allen and Ryan Dunn from the Phoenix Suns. Next, I think I'm gonna trade one last time or maybe two. But first, we're gonna trade Pat Connaughton and Liam McKinley for nobody. I think Jacob Walters and Garrett Temple. So this is the new roster of the Charlotte Hornets. The next step is we're going to the rotation so that I can remove players and change with a good player so that we can attract more wins. So here is our rotation and roster for the upcoming season. I hope this is a title contender. So before we start our next season, we're gonna go to the scoring option and we go. First scoring option is Devin Booker, and second scoring option is LaMelo Ball, and the third option is Trey Murphy the third. We're gonna change some in the offense and the defense so we can get more wins. And now we're done, so now we're gonna start our season, and if the team is going bad, I'm gonna make a change before the trade deadline. So see you there, fellows. And now we are here in the trade deadline, and our record is 32-19. And in the standing, we are the first in the Eastern Conference. So it's kind of unexpected, but it's good. But now we're gonna make a one trade that can make our team better and stronger. And so here are the stats before the trade deadline. And LaMelo, Brandon Miller is scoring 14.8 per games. And we're gonna make a trade. So we are trying to trade Devin Booker to get more valuable player and more stronger. But I think there are none of the teams that offer me right. So we move on to Devin Booker, and now we are trading Brandon Miller and Grayson Allen to get more amazing offer, but I think there are none. So we failed trading Brandon Miller and Devin Booker, so now we're gonna trade Trey Murphy III and Chris Dunn. And none of the offers are great, so I declined all of them. So we failed trading our star player, and now we're gonna trade DeJounte Murray and Kevin Looney to get more scoring in the bench. But there are none again, so I declined them all. We failed to trade someone in the trade deadline, so we're gonna go to the end of the season, and I expect that we are going to the NBA playoffs and I'm gonna see you there. So now we are entering the last game in the NBA season for my rebuild, and we're gonna watch the standings in the Eastern Conference, and we dropped the second seed. I did not expect that. And we're gonna simulate our last game of the season, and I hope we win and we lose in our last game of the season. And now we are going to NBA playoffs, and our MVP Nikola Jokic averaging 21 points, 10 rebounds, and 4 assists. Rookie of the Year is Victor Wembanyama with 20 points and 10 rebounds. And our Sixth Man of the Year, our own DeJounte Murray, 12 points, 3 rebounds, and 4 assists. Our defensive player is Mark Gasol. Okay, interesting. Most improved player is Miles Bridges, the one that we traded. And the coach of the year is John Belen, record of 50 and 32. And all NBA first team we got Luka, Ja Morant, Anthony Davis, Karl Anthony Towns, and Nikola Jokic. All NBA second team we had James Harden, Kyrie Irving, Giannis Antetokounmpo, Jason Tatum, and Victor Wembanyama. And our all NBA third team is Anthony Edwards, Damian Lillard, Miles Bridges, LeBron James, Joel Embiid. And all defensive first team we got oh Cooper Flag. All rookie team Wemby, Cooper Flag, Amen Thompson, Keon George, Brandon Miller, Zach Edey, and Osar Thompson. Now we are the second seed and we're facing the Orlando Magic. So we're gonna simulate game by game in the NBA Finals, and I'm not gonna play. Game 1, Charlotte Hornets win. A score of 125 and 130. Game 2, Charlotte Hornets wins 108 to 94. Game 3, Orlando Magic wins 119-127. Game 4, Orlando wins 100 to 132, a blowout win. Game 5, Hornets take it 138 and 147. Game 6, and the Charlotte Hornets lost, and we're going to game 7 114 119. Game 7, we move on to the second round, facing the Boston Celtics again. We simulate game 1, Boston take it. Simulate game 2, we bounce back with a win 117 126. Game 3, Boston take it again. Score of 96 and 113. Game 4, we take it, we win it. Game 5, we are going to witness who's gonna win. And it is the Boston Celtics 119-106. Simulate Game 6, we are verge of elimination. Charlotte Hornets has been eliminated, and we're gonna see what my roster do. And we're gonna view their playoffs points. Let's go for LaMelo Ball. You get 20 points per game. Very good. Conkinepo has 8.5 points per game. And Brandon Miller scored 15.2. Let's see DeJounte Murray. He averaged 12.1. 12, 12, 11, and 10, and 6. So my first rebuild on the Charlotte Hornets end in the second round. And we're gonna watch who's gonna win in the Western Conference final. We got Denver Nuggets and LA Clippers. In the East, we have Cleveland and Boston. They take both games in 5. Gentlemen's sweep. Now we're gonna simulate game by game the finals. Game 1, Denver take it. Game 2, Denver take it. Game 3, Denver take it. And the Denver Nuggets win. And the MVP is... The MVP and the finals MVP are the same. Nikola Jokic averaging 22.1 per games, 2 steals, 11.6 rebound, and 4 assists. So that's all for rebuilding the Charlotte Hornets on NBA 2K20 modded to 2K26. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what team next I'm gonna rebuild. Thank you. Bye.